So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a quick method to create a website with zero knowledge. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser or any device, and here you need to search for sites.google.com. Just simply search this, and or you can just simply search for sites Google, and open this first website. Inside of this website, you'll notice that a very basic interface of creating a website will appear right in front of you. Click on this option of start a new site, and from here you can easily control your website. Like your title page will go up here. You can add multiple things like content blocks on the website. You can you can use multiple themes as well that are available. And once you're done creating your website, you can just simply hit on this option of publish, and you'll notice that you'll notice that the site is live. Here you can see if I hit publish, I can enter the web address as per my need as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.